Hey everybody, it's Chelsea here with the Women's Fishing Network, brought to you by Goes to 11 Media. I thought I would do a quick little check-in here, let you know what I've been up to. If you've been following along my journey, you would know that it is on my bucket list to get into fly fishing and fly tying. So I was finally able to get my hands on a beginner vise. So I got an awesome vise set up here. I'm gonna set up a little station here at my computer desk, and I found a whole bunch of random fly tying gear on Marketplace online, so I went and purchased it and kind of got a good little collection happening so far. I'm really excited. I went and dug out this really cool drawer set that my Poppy made. He was a carpenter back in the day and he made this right from scratch, so I thought how cool would that be to use it for all of my fly tying materials. So I got a ton of different feathers and fur, deer fur. It's really cool because the ones that I got are labeled with everything, so I know what they are, so I can start getting the hang of lure names and what different things to use on them. So I got tons of different bucktail, neck hackle, marabou, tons of different things. So I'm really excited to learn what techniques you use with all of this different material. So that's pretty cool. Secondly, I got some really cool tools. I finally get to use my awesome tools from Anadromous Fly Company. These are pretty wicked. They also sent me, these ones have names, so I actually know what they're called. So Micro Spring Hemostate. And yeah, so this is cool. I'm excited to get my good little collection going already. I got some string in there. I got some hooks started. Good little collection here. Some cement. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for all of my gear that I'm gonna be using. So I've been watching lots of YouTube videos on how to make flies. So I have not attempted one yet. I will be attempting one. I actually had a friend come over the other day and they tied two different flies for me right in front of me just so I could watch, and just because I had no idea. So they did it right in front and made this one. Look at that one, how nice that is. And then this one, this is the Chelsey fly because, well, if you know me, I like glitter and sparkle. Look how cool that is. So it was really neat to watch. So I would love to hear your guys' tips and tricks for a beginner fly tyer. I don't even know how to start. So please leave your comments below. Give me some tips and tricks. I am going to try and decide what I'm gonna make first and make that into an episode so you guys can start watching my journey of fly tying. So thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Be sure to check out our store, fishingandoutdoors.ca or fishingandoutdoors.net, and be sure to check out our wicked website, womensfishingnetwork.com. So thanks guys for tuning in and checking out my little setup. And yeah, leave me some ideas, tips, comments, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.